Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing heat where it matters. Set the oven to 260 degrees C and choose convection if your oven has it. Once set, put a pizza stone or steel on the lowest rack and let it soak up heat for 45 to 60 minutes. This creates the rapid bottom sear you need. Meanwhile, assemble your pizza on a well-dusted peel so you can launch it immediately. That prevents soggy dough and ensures even bake from the moment it hits the surface. You slide the pizza onto the hot surface with a single confident push, so the dough makes instant contact. This is how you get a crisp bottom. Bake for roughly 5 to 8 minutes depending on thickness, and rotate the pizza at about the halfway mark to equalize heat exposure. If you want leopard spotting and extra char, finish with 30 to 60 seconds under a high broil while watching closely. That final burst of radiant heat mimics wood-fired ovens. You remove the pizza with a peel and let it rest for about 2 minutes so cheese sets and toppings stabilize. This makes slicing cleaner and safer. After slicing, scrape any stuck crumbs off the stone once cool. Do not use soap or thermal shock the surface. If your bottom is persistently soggy, increase oven temperature, preheat the stone or switch to a steel, and launch dough directly onto the hottest, lowest rack. Those changes fix heat transfer problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.